Hi, and Kamabuhayers. Once again, join me my another afternoon or almost sunset walking exercise. Here in Life is Here, Davao City. Let's go. I love walking the afternoon, especially it's almost sunset, and as much as super cold and the weather is not already a hot temperature. So I'm having my working exercises whenever I'm not going to the park or the shopping center. But if I'm in the shopping center, it's already my walking exercise. So join me as I go and have my walking exercise on a sunset. Let's go. Let's explore the subdivision. The light is already here. The double light started to already on by the residents of owners. Let's move forward. 30 minutes walking exercise is the advice of the expert, especially those who are really having their wellness guidelines for every day. What a wonderful Monday afternoon for our walking exercise in the subdivision. You see, our residential Del Rio subdivision is really noted for cleanliness, peaceful, and you are safe. Peaceful neighborhood. Regardless if there are celebration of anniversary, birthdays, weddings, I have not heard that there are homeowners having video up to the morning, 12 o'clock, which will really disturb the neighbors. But here, no. It's a big no. So this one of the qualities of Davao life is here that I like most. Living a peaceful neighborhood community. Yeah. So you're safe regardless. It's already nighttime walking exercise here. Really, you are assured of your safety. The people here are really respectful. They are good people. As you can see, there, look at my roadway. Have you seen scattered garbage? No, not one. There's none. So this is how disciplined people in Davao is. Yes, there are dogs, but they are inside the homeowner's house. But there are times there are those dogs that are able to escape. So immediately that will be called to the attention of the officers of this residential Del Rio subdivision. So let's go here in the guard house. I've heard we have new guards. Mabuhay, sir! Good evening, good afternoon. You're the new guards already? Wala na sila, Sir Joseph?
Wala na, ma'am.
Yeah, so I'm here.
Paligid over sa mga itong...
Yeah. Hi, sir. I'm a resident here. Oh.
Sige po.
So, sir, how will I call you?
SG Luzada.
Ha? SC?
SG Luzada.
SG. Wow. Welcome to our subdivision. And sir, dalawa kayong duty?
Apo, bali dalawang pang araw, dalawang pang gabi.
Wow, I love it.
Dalawa na po.
So, mas nice ngayon, no? Agency na ka talaga,
Apo.
so. So, that's it, si Sir
Luzada.
Luzada. So, welcome to RDR. Teacher Bing Rindon lang, sir. Teacher Bing. Oh, nice meeting. The same number ba? Kung magtawag ako ng tricycle?
nandito na.
The same na, di ba? Kasi usually, nagpapakyaw ako.
Oh, this is the number niya.
Sige, magtawag lang ako. Tomorrow, I'm going out.
Ikaw kung magpalit kayo ng number, mahirapan kami.
Oo, yeah, the same pa rin. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir, ha? Name, sir? Vlogger kasi.
Alan,
Alan
Blanco.
Langko. Oh, yan ko kayo sa FB, ha? Erlinda Bing Rindon. Mabuhay Channel. Mabuhay Channel, sir. Sige. Diyan ako sa 18.3. Oo, na vlogger sa Mabuhay Channel. So, welcome again. Name, sir?
Alan Blanco.
Alan Blanco. Oh, teacher Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. So, I will be adding you ha sa FB. Baka alias. Hindi alias.
Ay, alias ako hindi.
Sige, ano mo na lang ako, Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Sir, ha? Meron kayong scratch? Wala. Pwede ako makasulat, sir. Adi na lang ako. Scratch lang. Okay, here it is. Nasa 18.3 ako. Magtawag lang ako tomorrow, ha?
Pick up na siya.
Magpapakyaw ako, sir.
Sige ma'am, no problem po.
Oo. Yun ang purpose ko going here. Kasi kilala ko na yung dati. The previous guard. Si Joseph man yun.
Joseph po.
Yung isa this is my account and my Mabuhay channel. Andito na si Basilio Rindon. Okay. Actually, there are really obedient people. Erlinda Bing Basilio Rindon. Sir, baka mawala, sir. Okay, add mo ako, ha? Sige, for account. Sige. Thank you for being with us. So, here it is. We have our new guards in the subdivision. May sir, school service. So we have also school service here. Do we have changes sa patakaran? If they are stranger, if they are not homeowners, anong sabi ni President?
Kung not naman siya, ID po.
ID lang,
ID po.
iwan. So,
Then, kung saan sila pupunta, visitor sila, kailangan alam nila kung saan pupunta.
what
black
block?
o black.
Yeah.
Pero ID talaga,
ID, iwan dito.
para malaman namin.
Yeah, sige sir. Kasi this was a new policy kay last November may dyan Bulgari. Ay, welcome to
Yan
residential.
talaga ang policy sa Guardia, ma'am.
Oo.
Sa naingit ka talaga, ang policy namin is ID lang po.
ID talaga.
Para identification namin. Para
Especially,
malaman kung saan pupunta.
yeah, if someone is visiting me, so they will just,
Yes po.
Teacher B, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Thank you, sir.
Welcome
Nice
po.
meeting.
Welcome po.
Ay, yeah, we will my name
Sige.
there. So, hindi ka nag-alias?
Ah,
Follow mo ako Mabuhay channel. So, nickname mo is
Marlon po.
Marlon lang. Bing. And,
Jordan Blanco.
ang nickname ni Sir Blanco.
Alan, no?
Alan and Marlon.
Yan po.
Yeah, sige. Welcome, sir, to Residential Del Rio. More, good relationship with you. Sige, sir, mag-vlog lang ako dito. Mabuhay channel, Erlinda Rindon, hanapin niyo ako. So, this is it. I am having my new friends, the new friends here in the subdivision. We have our new guards. So, I've already introduced you to them. We are very strict now in as much as last November there was a Bulgari in one of the homeowners here. So this is our guardhouse in Residential Del Rio subdivision. Have a glimpse of the entrance. If night time, bukas pa ito sir o the other way? Okay. Except na lang. Kasi last time pag night time na close na ito eh.
Close ito nga. Pagbali sa kabila po, except ang 9 p.m. close. At saka din close.
Okay. Sige sir, thank you so much. So those are our new guards here in Residential Del Rio subdivision. Okay, it's still celebrating all the Christmas decoration. Our beautiful community, Residential Del Rio subdivision. It's a residence by the river. Yeah, Rio is river, Spanish word. So residents, so people who are here residing. We are peace-loving here and discipline as the signature of the vow. Discipline, people here, and of course respectful. Look at our residents, our subdivision. No garbage. Yeah, respectful everyone. So, in my back, if you like to go out, go there in the crossing, Choice Mart, you have to go here for your tricycle ride, as they call here in Davao, that's the Pilicat. Including Granville, they are also going here to get a ride. So, this is it, my coverage. Welcome everyone to Residential Del Rio Subdivision. Just pass by our two guards, new guards, for proper identification. You just need an ID. If you are visiting one of the homeowners here, just present your identification card for safety and our security purposes. So let's go. Thank you, sir. Ay. Tawag ako tomorrow, ha.
Yes po, yes po.
Pakyaw to. Bukas na lang. It's already night time, but I need to explore. Let's go over there. Once again, I am traversing the major street, or they call this one here in the subdivision the Millionaire Street, Euphrates Street. Yeah, Euphrates River is one of the rivers in Mesopotamia or Iraq now, the origin of the first river civilization in Asia. Of course, we have also the Nile River. The Nile River, that is Nile Street here. We have Nile Street. That is also the first civilization that erupted in Africa and specifically Egypt. So furthermore, we have other street name of United States, North America, South America, rivers like we have the Puerco Street, Huelo Street, the Rhine Street. Okay, all of these are rivers. Why rivers? In as much as our residential Del Rio subdivision is located nearby Talumud District River, Talumud River. So that's why the name Residencia. And Rio. Rio is Spanish word. It means river. So where the river of God flows, surely blessings or blessing overflows. As you can see, this major street here is the Millionaire Street, because this is big houses in the subdivision. I think it will worth 3 million or more. The housing unit here is made up of orange color and my favorite red color. There are also blue color, old rose. So the units are known as Waling Waling, Jasmine, and other design. There are also street lights like that. So welcome to Euphrates Street. This is Euphrates Street. I prefer to have my walking exercise late afternoon or sunset or already nighttime to avoid the hot temperature. Yes. That is also the advice of the experts. You can hear dogs, but actually they're inside. They're inside of the housing unit. Okay, let's go over here. Another block. Actually, there are limited space for parking, but there are some housing units that have space for their cars. But if there is no enough space, the usual one is they are parking, but should be in one side parking like that. One side parking, so the taxi, the tricycle can pass by those who are bringing the residents here. So it's really a wonderful evening for today. Let's have a selfie over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, smile. Okay, we have here the critical thinking. Okay, critical thinking, that's it. I love it. I'm already perspiring. Wow. I love that feeling of being perspired. Let's explore furthermore over there. My night walking exercise. Amazing Davao. Peaceful Davao. There is no loud music. Their music is just really soft music, or that one which is good to hear, not that one that your heart will also keep on having this fast beating of the heart. Don't like that, especially with UK in late in the evening. Because we know well that there are residents who are already seniors, or there are also students that will have their class in the next day. Also those who are working in different offices, different works. So you need to put your empathy, or putting your shoes on those people that regardless you have a beautiful voice, and you are not aware that you're already disturbing the neighborhood. Here, there is none. Okay, that's the single parking. Or I mean, you cannot have double parking because this will be used for the tricycle or the taxi. Let's keep moving on to the next block. It's really wonderful feeling whenever I have my exercise here in Davao. According to experts, daily we need to have our walking exercise. So I'm doing this again. So, as you can see, I'm already perspiring. Hi guys! Mabuhay! So there's no guys here. My tatak ringtone is mabuhay. I do not like that. I just do not know, but I do not like that my introduction will be welcome guys. I hope you respect my philosophy on this. Okay. Just welcome ka, mabuhay is that's the tapak ringtone. Let's explore some more. Okay, I think I'm in block 7 already here. So some houses are still with Christmas decoration, Christmas lights. I'm enjoying my night walking of this really amazing place. I choose to be here. No noise pollution and no garbage pollution also. From time to time, there are single motor, the cycles, but they are in regulated, of course, regulated speed inside the subdivision. Taxi are also allowed here. And the pedicab or the tricycle, as they call there here in Davao. Tricycle is known as pedicab. So, is this my Davao life? I love it. Wonderful Davao. The streets are well lighted. Single parking. I think I've already spent more than 30 minutes. Already 1 hour walking here in this subdivision. My dream house, the red house. I love this so much. I really love this, including that one. So this is it. I need to close my vlog now. On this corner, you can see there are other residents who are having their jogging also. So thank you, Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers. I am your teacher vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, live and alive here in Residencia del Rio Subdivision, Talomo District, Davao City. Thank you, Kamabuhay. Thank you, Kamabuhayers. Thank you, everyone, for joining me my captured episodes. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Good person, good life, good person. Until my next vlog. Mabuhay, lagaw na diri sa Davao, kay damo kita mabakan. Mabuhay, mabuhay. Long live, good life, good person, good life. Signing off, retired teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share my YouTube Mabuhay channel and my Facebook account and my Reels. Thank you, Reels. Thank you, Mabuhay. Thank you, Kamabuhayers. Until my next vlog. Long live, mabuhay, everyone.